The Sunshine Girls are heading into the new year still on the hunt for replacements for the buses which were stolen from their Barbican premises over 4 months ago. This against the background of what will be a busy year of competition and tournaments. More in this report.
Christmas is meant to bring joy and happiness to the faces of people. But there is still sadness around Netball Jamaica because they are yet to see the return of their buses, which moved around close to 24 players. Free-spirited as the players are in the Yuletide season, the highest-ranked Jamaican sports team is still concerned with the broader problems they face heading into a bumper 2022 season.
Our training sessions end very late at night, and we would not want our girls to be taking public transportations because, of course, it's not going to be as safe for them to be taking public transportation when it's very late because we're females, of course. So if we have our own transportation to bring us to our gates to ensure that we're home safely, that will be wonderful.
TVJ Sports understands that one of the insurance companies has completed its investigations and therefore the organization is awaiting a cash settlement which will be used to purchase another bus. But until then,
we're working very hard on that. We have to identify partners to help us with that. The girls need a bus for training. A lot of our girls work. We're one of the few elite teams in the top 5 in the world where the netball is not the career of the girls. So some of them work. We have to transport them to training from their workplaces. We have to move them around. Some of them live outside of Kingston. So the bus is of utmost importance. So we will be talking to Corporate Jamaica about that as well.
Captain Janelle Fowler anticipates a tough year, which requires more meticulous preparation.
We're going to need to have transportation for next season because we're going to have training sessions throughout the entire time up until we have Commonwealth Games. So if we're having our own buses, it will be good. But if we're not having our own buses by then, if we keep on having the support of budget and the stewards, that would be amazing as well. And for anyone who is willing to step up and come on board to help us, that would be grateful.
The Sunshine Girls recently made a courtesy call to Stewart's Automotives, which has been providing transportation for the various national teams since the buses were stolen in August. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.